Henry.
Okay, let's put those two back under. The two that were just under. Just I actually need to pick it from the other side.
Oh, no, shit.
Oh, wait, can I steal those 2x4s back?
We want the other one. So these ones will fall over. Thank you, sir.
Here, go ahead and put it down. I think I can show it. I'll start it, and I'll just pick it up and shuffle it back this way. Put it all on that side? Oh, yeah, I can see it myself. How's it feel? Come towards me.
You know what I mean?
All right, go ahead and pull those two legs. Okay, I'm gonna pivot clockwise, so towards forward. Part of it's way in the back. All right, so.
Can I make a little suggestion? As we get closer, I think that what we ought to do is sort of block the pallet jack like so, and just, get guys on the bottom and actually pull it off the pallet jack on the back. Okay, so like if we have a blanket right here, we just take this and pull this so that the back comes just off the pallet jack.
Right.
And then that way, then same thing, we just rock it back and you pull it out. Like that. One way or the other, we gotta rock it.
I think we're gonna have it too far away from the wall then.
It'll move though, once it's,
Because if I put it up on, I'm thinking we put it up on 2 bys, and rock it side to side,
and pull it right up.
and pull the 2 bys out.
Maybe lower it, you guys.
And, yeah, 2 bys on the edge like that,
Okay.
that's pretty high.
Okay.
And then we have to rock it an inch and a half every time.
Okay.
And then we can set it, because I think you want it right, as far that way as you can get, right?
I want it between the buttress and the window as centered as you can get.
Yeah. And
Yep.
then, but as far as close to the wall.
It can, as close as possible, keeping in mind there's the heater there, but yeah.
And a huge kick. It's like 8 inches that way up top.
Is it off the side of it?
It's just a lot.
Are you going to block the heater?
Yeah, we're gonna put that thumb screw in the wall.
I know, right? Exactly.
Yeah, but still.
And it will slide once it's down, just not very much.
Right.
Like I calculated 450 pounds of pressure to slide it.
It's like, yeah.
Oh, we've got like.
Do you still have those 2 bys that are screwed together?
Somewhere.
You may have to go slightly to the left because that buttress is right on the edge of it, like an inch. Yeah, that's good.
Out there?
Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put those under so I can pull my foot all the way in. Can you grab 6 loose 2 bys? Alright, get them down.
actually really good.
Yeah.
And then how's my,
Oh, can you move a little more to the left again? Is it too late to do that?
No?
Nope.
okay, right here.
I think that's good. That's good. Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Twisted right now.
All right, what do I need to do?
You need to go this side, this way, square up with the wall. And you're about 3 inches away right now.
Okay, they're coming straight up again,
Yeah,
all right?
you're maybe 2, small 2.
A small two.
Yeah, that's it. Right, that's about as close as you're gonna get to portraiting.
All right, I'm gonna,
Where an inlay, hold on, do you wanna put the other?
I need the other,
Go
we're gonna put one, yeah. That's not actually.
The metal's gonna conduct heat.
I don't think it's too bad.
As easy as it was to stand up, as easy as it was to stand up. I
It
think
can be a few. It can.
one way.
Yeah.
The metal's gonna conduct heat.
Yeah, I was thinking of that.
Easiest hole, like, you know, as we
Yeah.
rock that up,
We don't want to just do it in one shot.
Yeah, I would actually.
I would allow for 3 inches.
No, but you use, I don't know, asbestos.
Once you lower all the way on the power jack, then we're gonna be really close. Then what we can do is, you know, 4 guys over there, 4 guys over there. We go up, you pull out, we come down. I think that's the safest way to do it.
I'm just thinking of the heat transfer from the radiator.
Yeah.
Can we move it just a hair a little bit out?
Yeah, keep in mind we do have that.
That thing, okay. Oh, whoa, that's too far. Yeah.
So it'll take so much heat in order to heat that thing up to get to this.
Okay, then you're fine. Then you can go back again. Sorry about that, Henry.
Sorry, Rachel.
Yeah, let's put it
Let's put it back in the back corner.
on the corner.
Yeah, I think that's the way to do it. I think we ditch these.
We get rid of all that.
That looks perfect.
Because it's not as heavy.
I also have the J.
500 of us here. And then what's his actually rock and roll?
The whole thing. I'm
How
hoping I have to see right now.
Say what happened?
Oh, and then it's just gonna sit on the couch?
Yeah. Do you want us, we have felt bumpers for it. We can put them on there if you want. It won't damage your floor, but it'll also make it easier to slide.
Yeah, let's put this on that.
Much more.
Should be easy to remember.
You wanna go closer to the heater or?
He wants to roll back, so I'm gonna have to hold it in place.
Okay.
You need me to push it?
We need all the, now that we've got everybody, let's get everybody over here. We're going that way. Yeah, we're gonna go that way, and then we're just gonna let it go once he pulls that out.
And then set it in
Okay,
place.
so we're gonna get our eggs over there. Gently and slowly. How far are we doing? Maybe more people over there?
Maybe one more inch.
You're good.
I'm clear.
Okay, come down, right? Yeah, watch your fingers and your toes. Everybody. That's it.
There.
And then one more rock this way to get that blanket out. Yep. 3, good. Hold it. Oh, nope, we're not there. 1, 2, 3.
You guys don't like that much.
Yeah. We just need the nose now.
The nose is right there.
Yeah, he's looking like he's missing something.
What I could do is start, let me see.
Let's do this. Let's do this thing first, huh?
What thing?
This heat thing. Line those welds right up.
Most important part, Henry, don't mess it up.
I know, right?
Man, I should have gotten some champagne.
Where to, brother?
I probably over there, Gibson, there's one in the
There's one right where the water is.